The speed of a vehicle is increasing at a rate of 7.3 meters per second squared. What is this rate in miles per minute squared rounded to the nearest tenth? Use 1 mile is equal to 1609 meters. Here we have the rate in meters per second squared. We have to convert this rate to miles per minute squared. Okay, let's use the stuff we have over here. That is 1609 meters equals to 1 mile. Let me write it. Now, let's divide both the quantities by 1609. Let me do it over here. The value of the fraction over here is just 1. Then we get 1 meter on the left side. On the right side, we have 1 over 1609 miles. And also let's consider the stuff on time. That is, we know that 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. Now let's divide both these quantities by 60. Let me do it. Then the value of this fraction 60 over 60 is just 1. Then we get 1 second equals to 1 over 60 minutes. Now let's square both the sides over here in this equation. Then we get 1 second whole square, and let's square this one as well. Now we can take this exponent 2 for this one and this one separately. Then we get 1 square, and here we have a second square. The same thing we can do on the right side. Then we get 1 over 60 the whole square, and we have minute square. So the value of 1 square is 1. Then we get 1 second square equals to, when I evaluate this one, I am getting 1 over 3600 minutes square. Okay, let's consider the given rate, that is 7.3 meters per second squared. Let me write it over here, 7.3 meters per second squared. We got that 1 meter equals to 1 over 1609 miles. We can plug in this one for meters over here. Then we get 7.3 times 1 over 1609 miles. And also we got that 1 second square equals to 1 over 3600 minutes squared. We can plug in this one for second squared over here in denominator. Then we have 1 over 3600 minutes squared. Okay, let's continue. 7.3 times. We can take the fraction over here in numerator as it is. That is 1 over 1609. Now we can change this division as multiplication. Then we have to take reciprocal for this fraction 1 over 3600. That is 3600 over 1. We can write this one as it is. That is miles, and we can take this one also as it is. That is miles per minute squared. Okay, when I simplify this numerical expression using calculator, I am getting 16.333. It keeps going. According to the given information, we have to round our answer to the nearest tenth. When I round this one to the nearest tenth, I am getting 16.3. That is 16.3 miles per minutes squared. Here I have converted the given rate to miles per minute squared. That is 16.3. We find 16.3 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.